In this video, I will show you how you can solve syntax error of unexpected curly brackets. Usually this error occurs when you are missing the curly brackets in code. Let's see with the example. I have an array and using for each loop. Let's check the result of this array in browser. Now I remove the curly brackets and check the result. Now it is giving syntax error. Now I enter the curly bracket again and check the results. If you are facing same error in your code, check out the curly bracket in your code. I hope it will work. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.